Welcome once again into the channel. This is the Philippine Review Center or PRC, and what we have here is that we are going to solve this problem. So this is a big question mark for this equation. 1/2 is raised to the power of e negative 1/2. So we're going to look for another form of this one or the answer for this one. So as you have observed, we have an exponent which is actually a negative exponent. So what we have learned on our previous video, if we have a negative exponent, to make this positive, we will have to transform the base on its reciprocal form. So the reciprocal is the inverse of this one. So we need to have it on its reciprocal. So the reciprocal of 1/2 is actually 2 over 1 or just 2 because it's no more sense to have a denominator of 1. So we could remove the 1 here and now proceed to raising this one.